Today, I am going to show you how to use two eyeshadow palettes to create a look. One eyeshadow palette here, one eyeshadow palette here, two eyeshadow palettes to create a beautiful look. Two eyeshadow palettes to create a beautiful look. Keep watching to see how I use these two eyeshadow palettes to create this look. I will start with the Juvia's Place the Saharan Blush Volume 2. My favorite blush in there is this shade right here. The name of that shade is called Abby, A-B-Y. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. And I'm going to take that and put it in the crease. I just love this blush and I just want to create a look with that shade because that shade is beautiful. Thank you everyone for coming here today. My name is V. This is Makeup Without Limitations. You can do whatever you want with your makeup and have fun. Life is short. Do not waste it on anyone. Do what you love doing. Have fun doing what you love doing and embrace it. This will be a quick to color eyeshadow look with my two favorite blush palette. Eyeshadow palette. One is an eyeshadow palette, one is a blush palette. But there is a shade in the eyeshadow palette I love using as a blush. So that is why it is my two favorite blush color eyeshadow look. You see the shade? Take a look at the shade. I can make it darker. Let's do that. I'll make it darker in the brow bone. And just shade the rest up to the... Oh, I made it darker in the crease, not the brow bone. And I'm just sharing the rest up to the brow bone. Gorgeous. The next blush that I love so much, this burnt orange right here. I love it a lot. It is from the Zulu palette, but I use it mostly as a blush because I just love how it looks on my cheeks. I am going to take that and put that in the crease and also on the lids. This is a quick to color eyeshadow look with my favorite blushes. You see how pretty this color is? And this is going to be a matte look today. No shimmer. Just matte. And I just blend it together in the crease with the darker color. See that burnt orange? How pretty is that? I take the first brush with the color. I am not going to add anything else. And I just going to go around the orange just to mesh them together. Cute. I'm using my Juvia's Place Press Powder Foundation. The shade is Catsinia. That's my Real Techniques brush. And this is how you do a burnt orange and burgundy eye look. Take a look. Two simple, easy colors and their blushes. I also took this shade, which is in my crease and all the way to the brow bone. I also took that blush, and that's what's the first section right here. And then the burnt orange which is on my lids and in the crease. That same color is this section of my cheeks. So I have both shades on. The first part is the burnt orange, and that second section is that burgundy, dark burgundy. Today's I am and self-love card is: I open myself to all good. I open myself to all good. I want you to take a few moments each and every day and open up yourself to everything that is good. Always remember you are first. Always remember to say a prayer for someone else. People are struggling in these times. Times are hard. Thank you for watching my videos. Always. I appreciate you very, very much. Until I see you and you see me, remember to always, always, always give thanks. Always give thanks. If you wake up this morning, give thanks. If you wake up in the afternoon, give thanks. Remember to give thanks. I love you dearly, and I am giving my thanks right now. Thank you, God, today and always for my YouTube family. Love this look. Share me out and hype this video. Bye.